Hey everybody, welcome back to Heron Park Beauty here on YouTube. I wanted to bring you guys an eyeshadow tutorial using the Truly Madly Deeply palette from ColourPop. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe so that you can catch future tutorials and check out my website where I do product reviews. These are the colors included in the Truly Madly Deeply palette. And the first color that I'm going to be using is called Golden Gate Bridge. And the next shade is a mauve pink shade called Pretty Cruel, and I'll be using it right in the middle of my eyes. And you guys, you're going to have to bear with me. I am trying to learn how to edit, so you guys are going to have to suffer through the next ugly edited videos for me. I'm still learning. Hopefully as I grow, you guys grow as well. The next shade I'm using in the outer corners of my eyes called Too Much, and it's the deepest shade in the palette. It also has a little bit of silver glitter in it. The pressed glitter shade that I'm using is called Renegade, and since it is a pressed glitter, I wanted to see if that glitter was going to hold on its own without adhesive, and it did. But my suggestion with any glitter, whether it's pressed or not, if you're going to be doing a heavy glitter look where you can't see the eyeshadow underneath that particular area, then you need to use adhesive. But for what I'm doing here, you don't. And you can really wear it like this, but because I wanted more of a matte look, I went back and took Golden Gate Bridge and blended some of that matte shade back in the inner corners of my eye. I'm going to go in with a little bit of liner. And I didn't do anything thick or dramatic. I just wanted a baseline for the band of my lashes. I'll be using Piggy Bank from ColourPop in my waterline. I just thought it would be fun to add a little bit of purple liner down here. I'll be using my Lynx lashes from Makeup by Pretty Cat and also her lip gloss called Stay Glossy. I did not include the foundation part of this video because I just got through uploading a couple of Juvia's Place Shade Sticks videos and my first impressions, my thoughts. So I'll link those at the end of this one, and you can check those out if you're interested. This is the final look, and I hope you enjoyed this soft glam look using the Truly Madly Deeply palette. Everything that I used in this video will be listed on my Instagram. I will slay with you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe.